Mic check 1 2, mic check 1 and 2. Testing, 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 testing. If you're not talking, you mute your mic, eh? Okay. Elia,
Yo.
if you're not talking, you mute the mic, eh?
Hey.
I think I gave you the stop loss, okay?
Yes.
I gave you everything you would need to. So, in case of anything, the other decisions will be yours to take. Okay. GBP USD. Yes, hello. Welcome to Forex Uganda. We are live today for the London session. We are live for the London session, and we shall be looking at our number pairs as usual. We are having GBP USD and GBP JPY on our list today. We shall be looking for some buys above on GJ and some sells below that zone. So we are looking at GJ coming up this zone. So we shall see if we shall be able to get some buys on GJ. There's a very nice range up there. So if it can give us our confirmations, we shall be able to continue with it going up. Then GU shall be having the same thing. We want to get the buys above that zone and then the sells below this zone. Elijah, Forex it. Are you there?
Yo.
Out and clear.
I think we are out on the other trade.
Okay. Great Rudy.
So you're waiting for the sells below this zone here, and then the buys would be above that zone. So that's what we are going to be waiting for. Then we enter full margin. can share your results in the group and I see them. Huh? Elijah, you can share the results in the group and I see them. Huh?
of this trade anadesigiingide sagiingide sagiingide.
Martin, did you enter? Yes, hello. So we are looking at 30 minutes for now. We are on 30 minutes. We need to see some candles closing below these zones that we have identified in order to take a decision. So those with any question on YouTube, you can ask in the comment section. We shall be able to look at them. Otherwise, if you're just joining the stream, give us that thumbs up. We enjoy together. As usual, the entries will be provided at the right time. At the right time. So you just have to be patient with us, the market. If it provides, yeah, we shall be in together. We're just trading basic stuff, support and resistance, demand and supply, trend lines, and some price action. And some basic price action. So you're just keeping it easy for everyone. Hope you'll be able to improve on your trading as you're also making some money. I hope on YouTube we are all clear. You can see my screens. We are moving together. We haven't checked out the fundamentals today. Let me check them out. We shall use this website, Forex Factory. So we are in the London session. So we are looking at GBP, the British pound. If you're to look at Tuesday 18th, I don't think we are having any news on GBP. apart from having this Euro CPI at around 12, it might also somehow affect the GBP because they are all in the same session, the London session. So we shall look out at around this time, around 12. Then the rest will be in the New York session. So as per now, we are in the London session and we don't have any red impact news on our pair that we are trading. So we should expect normal price action. We are just 30 minutes into the London session. So we still have 1 and 30 minutes in the London session. We want to utilize this period, this small gap here that we are having, and we shall be having some volume during that time. So that's what we want to utilize during this time. Our stream normally ends at 12 or 12:30 there. So we look at utilizing this time when we are having these sessions active. GJ is already on the move. GJ is already on the move. He's already on the move. So on GJ, we want to get an uptrend. We want to get the structure of an uptrend because we are looking at buys above. So we want to see the market creating an uptrend. That's the market creating higher highs and lower highs, higher highs and lower highs. If you were to look at the structure, I think that's what it's doing right now. You're seeing that it's giving us this, coming back and pull back, which is still respecting the lows here. It's giving us this impulse to the upside, creating new highs, pulling back here, creating that low. So if it is going to, continue upwards, we need to see it when it is still respecting this low here, there, because it has already created a new high. So right after it creating a new high here, we're not expecting it to break these lows. If it breaks, then it has pulled this uptrend. If it breaks this zone, we might see it coming back to this zone. So this can be like a false. This can be like a false breakout if it comes back. This zone here. So we need to respect this low here. If it breaks past it, then we shouldn't be expecting any buys on GJ. It has to form a new structure that we can base on. Yes, if you're just joining up, please tap on the like button and share the live to your friends. Let them know that we are live. We are on. So we are seeing DJ is already breaking this zone here. It's already breaking this zone here. So I think we shall not be expecting any buys unless it breaks above here to create new highs. But here it has built the structure of the uptrend which has been on, because we've been seeing that the market has been trending upwards and it has been respecting the lows. It has been respecting all the lows, but now at this point here it is giving us this impulse to the downside, which is breaking that zone there. So it shows us that some sellers are what? Coming in. So we're most likely to enter into this zone again. If we are to consider getting buys again, we need to see it breaking, creating new highs here. Just to create new highs above this zone. When it pulls back, we shall be able to get some buys. But right now, we can no longer still base on the structure to get the buys. Yeah, GBP USD is breaking into the selling zone. If this candle closes into this zone here, we might see GBP USD selling back to this level down here. We might see it coming back down to this zone. So we need that candle closure to happen. I think that will be at around 11. So we shall not be making any decision until it is 11. So we still have more 21 minutes on this candle to see if it can close. If you make any decision before the candle closures, you might see that this candle can reject, leaving here this long wick here. Yet you already entered. So that's why it's very important for you to wait for the candles to close. Not seeing that, oh, the market has entered into our zone, it's going to leave us, so let us enter. So you need to wait until the candle closes. Then that's when you'll make your decision, either to buy or sell. Hope I'm loud and clear. I'm not seeing any comments, chats. So can you please let me know in the comment section if I'm loud and clear, if you can get me very well. Please let me know in the comment section. Let me know. You can also comment any pair of your choice you'd love us to look at. So comment any pair of your choice. Guys normally want us to look at gold. And give a brief look at gold and see what's happening on gold. Gold is moving like crazy right now. So if I'm to trade gold today, what am I gonna be looking at? I think if I'm to trade gold today, I'll have those zones marked. Very important zones to mark gold. Those are our key levels on gold, and you'll be having sales below among that zone. You will have buys above that zone. If the market is to consolidate, we are leaving it with this zone. If it stays in this zone, don't look for any entries in that zone. Leave it. That would be a bad day for you. So you need to see gold breaking above this zone to see a continuation to the upside, because we are seeing this market giving us this impulse here. So if we are to break this zone here, we are most likely to continue to push up there, and then if it breaks this zone here, we can be having this continuation of this downtrend, kind of a pullback, which can pull back up to this zone here down. So that's what you should look out on gold. Avoid trading in this zone here, and look for some buys above. It has to break here, above here, or below that zone. Then that's where you'll be able to make some decisions on gold. GJ. Yeah, GJ is coming back into our zone here. Some 17 minutes on this candle on GU to see if it can push back up to this zone here. Very nice break on GU. Seeing guys saying we try USD, Swiss francs, USD, CHF. That's from Adam. It's also, if you're to look at its 30 minutes, it's giving you this beautiful push to the downside, and then creating this level of resistance here, having this support level here. So it breaking into this zone here is giving you this range here, which is like 10 pips. So if this candle closes into this zone, you can be able to see it pushing back down here. To see this market moving further into downtrend, we need to get some closures here, so but we need to take some profits on this level here, and then wait for a break this zone. Then you can see whether you can get more sales. For the buys, you need to get them above here, above this zone, and then have your TP1 at that level, and then your TP2 would be there. As simple as that. So you'll be able to get some sales here with this range, some clean traffic there, 10 pips, and scrap through and get some sales there. this range here. Avoid that range. It's either trading above here or below that zone. You avoid that where it is in, and you also have to wait for this candle to close. If it doesn't close, you're seeing that this candle was also once here. This candle was also a candle for sales at some point. It sold, came here. What happened? As time went on, that candle got rejected, and you're seeing it is still respecting this zone as support. So you also need this candle to close into the zone. If it doesn't, you first chill the sales. Hope we are clear, Mr. Adam. We are having, I think gold, we are done. We have seen gold. And then Mr. David is telling us to look at AUD card. Let us see AUD card. AUD card, Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar is still making some ranges, so it might be somewhat tricky today. It has already moved and filled most of the ranges we had. If you had traded it, remember its session comes in early in the morning because of the Australian dollar. It is normally active in the morning, so that's why for it you're getting this push already, filling most of the ranges that you would have considered as your take profit. So if you woke up early in the morning, you're seeing this is the session of the Australian dollar. That is the what? The Sydney session. You have the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar, and then the Canadian dollar is in the New York session. So if you woke up early in the morning when it was active, I think by 9, you would have gotten something on it, getting those buys above that zone. So but where it is right now, it has to come back here from resistance. If it is here, you're going to put some sales below. If it breaks that this support, it will be able to come back to this zone, and then the buys, you have to get them above this zone. If it stays in this zone, you might see some bit of consolidation, some buying and selling at the same time. So you need to leave that room for it. So if it is to continue, let it maybe create some bit of support around here, and then it comes, breaks these highs to create new highs, to show you that you're ready to push the market on those zones. And then if it breaks there, you'll have that level as a take profit 1, take profit 2, and then take profit 3, like that. But if it is still in that zone, might be a bit risky. Anything can happen into that zone. So we have 8 minutes on this candle, and our range is remaining with only 16 pips to be filled. So we had a range of like 30 pips. Right now we are remaining with only 16. But if the market pulls back, retest this zone, we can be able to push with it back downwards. The market has already showed us direction that we can be able to come and feel that. So we need this candle to close. You might see the next 30 minutes coming in. If it comes in, it can first push back up to create an up wick, and then it flips, and then it pushes back down, leaving that long wick, and that long wick can be like a form of a retest on our time frame of entry. So 8 minutes on that candle. Let's see how it closes. I don't want to make any decision onto this candle because you're seeing this is an impulsive move. We don't make entries on impulses. We say that if we are looking for sales, we need to get that structure. If the market is selling, what do we need? We need the market to create those lows there, comes back here, creates those highs, comes back here, creates new lows, then it goes back up to create new highs, respecting these ones like that. So right now, if you're to look at GBP USD, those ones that had just entered on this break here, it is somewhat risky for them because the market can still give us another momentum candle coming back up to the zone here. So those ones that entered on this break here, the valid stop loss would be about that zone. Anything in this zone, it can easily be stopped out, and then the market comes back selling. And you're seeing that if this is our first high, which was created here, giving us that impulsive move. So the pullback can happen anywhere, to create the proper structure. So without the structure, we cannot trade, we cannot make the right decisions. So we need to see the structure building up very well, and that's what we base on price action, market structure, and levels of resistance and support. As easy as that. So I hope we are all together. Those that are just joining in, please tap on that like button. You also share the live with your friends. We keep the stream moving. Let's keep the stream moving by liking and sharing to your friends. Don't be greedy, don't be greedy, don't be greedy. So 5 minutes onto that candle of GBP USD. 5 minutes onto that candle. 5 minutes. What's up with GJ? I think I told you GJ might push down back into that zone. So we shall not basically be looking for buys anymore because it has come back into this zone again. I hope all those that ask their pairs, you're good to go. You got something out of what I said. We are live. Remember to also to sign up to our website. We have a community of traders there, so you can always remember to sign up there and post something about your trading journey there, your setups, everything is welcome. So I think this is our entry that we took last week. This one was our trade. We were able to make something of that trade last week. So yeah, sign up. 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 So this candle is closing in 30 seconds. In 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Yeah, we have a new candle on 30 minutes, closing into our range. We need to see the structure of the downtrend on our entry time frame. So we are using 1 minute for our entries. We need to see some structure coming in, and that's what we shall base on to continue on the sales. Forex, are you okay? You're quiet today. What's up?
I'm good.
Might have gotten some entries, and
yeah. Not yet.
and you didn't tell us.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Not yet. Things are just dropping today.
Yeah, but that's good. If things are moving, it's good. they're giving us the direction that we want. But if they don't move, some moves are just there to confirm to you that we are going to sell or we are going to buy. So you shouldn't be after chasing that, hey, the market has dropped and I didn't sell. I was not among the sellers. Some moves are hard to get. Be like, now you ask yourself in this one, how would you have known that this market is going to drop up to here, depending on the market structure? So this move was just confirming to us that we are going to drop. We are most likely to have this downtrend. So after getting this drop, we need to get a very nice pullback. Even if you get 10 pips on this trade, it's okay, because we had a very beautiful range of like 30 pips. But even if we get 10 pips, they are obvious. That is good.
Okay.
You need to be knowing where you're putting your money, where you're secure. What is the symbol for silver?
What? For single? Like single?
The symbol. Someone is asking for silver. Wants to look at the chart of silver.
Alright, let me check it here. What I've been looking at it.
Silver. It's just it's having some gaps. Some gaps. So silver, we're having this. I think we had this downtrend here. We had that downtrend. You're getting this one breaking this level, which is showing you like some bit of reversal. The market to push up, but for it to continue to push up, we need to respect this low. If it breaks this low, this can be like a false breakout. We can call that false breakout of this zone here if it breaks this zone. So you need to get some kind of closures above this, below this zone, and you might see it continuing downwards if we break that level. But if it respects it as resistance, as support, and then you see it pushing upwards, you need to see it breaking this zone. If it breaks this, then you would see it buying up to that zone. So you need to wait for it. Is like, I think it's like GJ, same thing. You have the sales below here and the buys above that zone. This zone might be a bit risky. You're seeing it also has some gaps in the zone, so you might end up ranging in the zone for the whole day, or if momentum is there, you'll see it breaking below or above. But if you don't have volume, momentum in the market, you'll see it playing around the zone, moving, respecting this as a resistance, and then getting that support. So you need to see that we have enough momentum, either break above or below those zones there. I think the person of silver, we are okay now. GJ, GBP, JPY is what we trade. We are trading here right now. So we said we're waiting for, we want to get buys above this zone and then sells below the zone. We had it break above, coming into our zone here, giving us the buy. But if you come to our time frame of entry, the structure has been violated because the market broke the laws. So we are not looking for any more buys up to when it breaks these and makes new highs. Then that's when we shall look for more buys on GJ. So if the current 30 minutes that is remaining with like 20 with 9 minutes to close, we need it to close above these candles. So if it closes above these candles, that shows us that on our entry of time frame, on our time frame of entry, it has made new highs, and you're seeing that it has broken out and it is coming back and retesting this zone. So we need to close above. We need to engulf this candle of sales which is on. Then after that candle, we shall be able to get some buys, maybe pulling up to that zone. So we want to see this candle closing above this resistance. So we need it above, we need it to break this resistance here, and then we shall see the continuation to the upside. We shall be looking at that zone. Yes, those just joining the stream, tap on the like button and subscribe to our channel. We're always doing live trading here from Monday to Friday. We always provide the entries and the analysis. You can check out our past live streams. We have them. We have a big folder in our past videos, so you can check out the past live streams. They're there. If the entry has been provided, you always find here something like this showing us the buys. This is normally our target, this color, and then that is our take profit zone, and then this one shows us our stop loss. In case for the buys, the same thing will happen for the sales. We shall have something like that. Sales, red zone is for the stop loss, and then this zone is for the take profit. So wherever you find it, it shows that we are in an entry. If you don't find it, we are not yet in. Now, like someone might come and say, hey, GU sells below, it means that you have already sold. Yeah, the market is trending below our zone, but we have not yet entered. We're not yet in. We are still waiting for some more extra confirmations so that we can get our entries.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Hash Forex.
Yes.
Can you kindly check on GG?
I do what?
Like GG.
Yeah, what's up with Gigi?
Huh?
What's up with Gigi?
No, so that you don't miss out anything.
So you were saying, GJ, what's up with it? Are you seeing anything nice on GJ?
No.
Yeah, GJ said we need if it is to buy, we need it above this zone, and I hadn't gotten any alert, so that's why I'd put this.
Mm.
Yeah, so we are still good. GU, you're also seeing it. It's moving, but structure is just there. So we wait on to it. GJ, if GJ stays in this zone, then it may turn into consolidation. If it stays in this range, yeah?
Oh, okay.
That's why we needed it to break above this zone to show us the continuation, show us momentum. But if it stays, because if you're to go on the 1 minute, are you seeing any structure of buys?
No, we have no structure.
Are you seeing any structure of sells?
No, not yet.
So that one might turn into consolidation. So we need to give it its time to create the structure that we want. That is obvious when everyone can easily see it, that yeah, that's an uptrend, oh, that's a downtrend. That's what we need to see.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So I wanted to get a breakout and retest on this trade. That's what I'm waiting for. I know most of you were asking why we didn't enter on this break here. So I want to get a breakout and retest on the trade. Then yeah, we shall be able to get some entries. We got this breakout here, which was breaking this uptrend, which was coming in. You're seeing that the market has started making some highs and high highs here. So I wanted to get this breakout, breaking that uptrend, which was there, which we got here. And now we are seeing that we are getting our retest. So I think we shall be able to push this market down if we get a proper retest with our confirmations. So that's what I'm looking at right now. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. I need to see some momentum coming in. Some momentum coming in. Some momentum kicking in. If this candle can, no. This looks it looks somehow. If this candle had closed down somewhere below here, would have taken some sales and put the stop loss above here, and then the take profit would be down there. But the candle closure was somehow weak. The candle closure was somehow weak. And it did to continue pushing down this one, and then let's see. But we might see it continuing up. But if it breaks here, we might see it continuing down. Might see it continuing down. Let me see. We might have 7 pips. Looking for trouble. So we're not yet in. We're not yet in. We're still out. We are still out. We are still out. We are still out. Ginger looks very, very crazy. the market breaks this zone here, you might see it continuing pushing down. Yeah. So I was looking at the possibility of having a stop loss of like 6 pips. Looking for around 13 pips. If this candle can close as a buy and then we get a momentum candle engulfing this candle, sells, we can be able to get some sells. Stop loss above this wick here, this one here. So anything above that zone would be the right stop loss, and then we look at this as our take profit. On that candle to close as support, creating some level of support, and then if this one pushes down, closing below this zone here which has been created, we shall get some sells. But if it continues up, we shall leave it. If this candle can open with momentum, close below the current candle which is on, we want it to break that support. If it doesn't break it, we might see it continuing up. So if it closes as a sell, we shall take some sells. Stop loss would be above that wick there, and then our take profit would be that. That's what I would love to see. But if it doesn't happen, then we shall add in some more patience. Has not yet closed. Even GJ is still expecting this zone, so not expecting much on GJ. Okay. I think today the markets are just moving and with no proper confirmations in the market. So GU breaking this zone here. It has also done the same thing as GJ did on the uptrend. So we are no longer counting on this sell. It has been on here because the market has broken this key level here. So above this, we might see the market pushing, continuing upwards, pushing for new highs. And our London session and Tokyo session has ended. This session here, where I was expecting to get some volume. So the next volume is going to be around 2 before the New York Open there. So I think we shall get some good movements around that zone, around that time. So as per now, we are gonna leave the market. First leave it and create something that we can easily base on. So as per now, I would restructure my setup again for the next session. So for the next session, I'll do my setup again. I'll come and I get some buys above this zone here. Come and fit up this range there. And then for the sells, we need it to break below this zone because this market still has the potential of pushing back to this zone and coming down here. So we are having this range being formed. We have been forming this range in the London session and the Tokyo session. So for it to continue, we don't want to be in this range again. So we need to either break below this range which has been formed here, continue down and fill that, and then buying above, filling that range, they're up. GJ, if it comes and enters into this zone, you might get a false breakout trade, this one being your false breakout here, and then if this candle can close in this zone here, we might see GJ pushing down here. If it continues pushing down, we'll have more sells below this zone here, and the take profit can be around this zone. We don't want to be caught in this trade in this zone that we have been in. So if the market closes below this support level which is being formed here, break below, we can see it coming down, filling this green traffic on this level of support. I think that would be for the New York session. So for you to be on the safer side, you would be looking at that. I don't know if anyone has any question. Forex City, do you see any trade that we missed, that we didn't take according to our strategy?
No. didn't miss anything today.
Okay.
Oh,
So the market has been moving very well, but did not move with our confirmations, which is also not bad. Our accounts are still there. So we shall wait for tomorrow. If we get the right setups, we shall always get the trades. Remember to join our platform here. If you join our platform here, we always post our setups on our platform for the trades that we normally take. This was our yesterday here. We have some people posting, and also have our trades here. So if you want to follow up for more, sign up. You'll be able to get some updates according to our trades. This was our last trade we took last week. That was our trade. I think it was our first trade that we took on stream. Yep. So with that, I think we are gonna stop here for today, and we meet again tomorrow sometime 10 a.m. London session, East African time. Thank you for watching. We meet again tomorrow.